gas pump heaven today. My name's Andy Anderson. Jared here's running the folding machine for us, and we're taking and running fingers for an oil can wrap we make. These fingers end up getting turned in a circle and hold the can position. Very simple part, but with the auto bender here, we store the memory of it. The part gets welded in, it's not welded in, and it's just one of a number of parts we make. As you can see in the background here, we've also got a number of folded parts for our American gas pumps we make, and we use the back gauge to control that there as well. And we do pretty much short runs in our product here. It's a very specialized product, and we take and run multiple things. We use the memory, the storage in the machine here as well, and we'll do in this product here, we'll probably only do maybe 300 parts at a run, sometimes more than that, and parts go worldwide. They're one piece of our puzzle, and we just do a lot with it. And again, we do multiple things in this machine, anywhere from the large skins on down to some small finger parts. And we use the memory machine to hold the jobs, and works very productively for us. And we enjoy the machine a lot.